Hello, it's time for another shopgoodwill.com online thrift store auction site unboxing video. I've acquired a few more possibly interesting items that I will try to get working if they're broken or just check out. And here, I do remember bidding on this and purchasing it. It's a GE Model 35624 AM/FM stereo cassette boombox with bass boost. And what I thought was interesting here was it appeared that this might be a new unused item, although it didn't mention that in the auction. But it came in the box with the styrofoam and plastic, and for some reason also came with some very old batteries from Walgreens. I think those are zinc carbon batteries. So the quality of this is going to be probably not great, but in its condition, I thought it would be interesting. It looks brand new, really. There's no indication that this has ever been even turned on. You don't see like fingerprints or, greasy areas where people have touched anything. It looks more or less brand new. Extremely soft eject. Obviously it's old, so I don't know the year of this. Sometime in the 90s, I imagine. It was made in China. The battery door also holds the power cord. And I just thought this was, it was really cheap. I think it was like $10. I think I paid for it. So in this condition, $10 all day long. So I'll check it out and see if it works and see how it sounds. I did also just test the batteries that were in the box. And I did find that they show 1.5 volts, but I imagine they're pretty weak. Okay, next up we have a more flat rectangular box, which can only mean, well, it can mean many things, but in this case it means a stereo cassette component. And this is the Sharp RT10. And I had previously purchased the Sharp RT20 that has a computer-controlled multi-display, but the RT10 is maybe its little brother, and I'm hoping the cassette mechanism is the same, because I think I know how to work on that. And this doesn't have a clock or alarm or anything. It's more of a basic cassette player. But it looked to be in very good condition physically, and hopefully it works as well as it appears to look. Again, the Sharp RT10, very, very similar to the RT20. Just with a few less bells and whistles. I think I saved the best for last here. This is a mini boombox from the early 80s. I did not expect to win the auction for this. I think my high bid was $15, but I feel like I lucked out, maybe. This is the Sanyo M7770K, and it has a lot of cool features, I think. It has AMSS, the automatic music select system. So the red LED there on the cassette door will show you a track that you want to play. You can select a track. It's a 4-band radio, so it has AM, FM, and then shortwave 1, shortwave 2. You've got volume, tone, balance. The band to select is on the back of the unit. 4-band tuner. The cassette buttons look to be in good shape. And here you've got metal and chrome and normal tape. There's line in. Of course, mono and stereo. If we look at the tuning wheel, it looks like we're missing the fine-tune knob. I assume that's what lives there. And there's the band selector, FM, AM, shortwave. Made in Japan, the M7770K. And then if we look in the battery compartment, there's no corrosion, which is always good. Takes 6 C cells. You can see how yellow the back plastic is. And then on the side, we've got jacks for headphones, line in, line out, microphone right and left, the 9-volt DC in, a beat cancel switch. So lots of options here. And that's the Sanyo M7770K. So there we go. Thanks for watching.